Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the pink makeup train carrying case. So this makeup train has a lot of good features. One is the pull bar handle. The wheels just glide very easily. They're extremely smooth, and it comes with an additional lid. So what that means is you can unlatch all of these different compartments and use them separately if you want to. So as you see, I can take off this main piece, and then if I wanted to unlatch the next one, I can put the lid on this, and now I'm ready to go if I just want to take a small box with me. And that will work for each piece of this case. So it is really versatile. There are 7 different ways to use it. Here's the top piece of the case, and this one I love because the makeup display is so pretty. The whole case itself can hold up to 54 pounds of makeup, so that is just a ton of material to work with. Those slide really easily, and it latches safely on the top so the items stay secured. I love this section of the case because these dividers are removable. These little foam slots here allow you to make a compartment for any size that you might need. You also have a compartment with no barriers at all, so if you have larger items, they'll fit nicely in the bottom. The biggest compartment on the bottom is very deep and allows me to fit my curling iron, my hair dryer, a straightener, and a storage organizer. The case also comes with an adjustable padded shoulder strap for easy carrying. There's a Velcro strap right here that allows you to tighten it up to have more stability as you're pulling. Every single layer locks into place here with these flip locks, and the sides are aluminum, so they're very strong and durable. In summary, this is a great makeup case. It holds up to 54 pounds of makeup. It's cute and functional, and I recommend it.